Alofa lover, and welcome to
Fresh Outta Water.
I'm Gaby.
And I'm Lani, and this segment is where we get to do activities our mum never let us do because we weren't allowed at the house.
And still.
Like stuff that they do, I've seen that they do on Fresh Outta Water. That's what my Balangi friends would do on their weekends. And I wasn't allowed to go with them. I'd always get invited, but never allowed. That's okay. We're here now. We're gonna go do something today at 27 years old.
She had to clean her room before she was allowed to come out.
Literally.
Like, so rules haven't changed.
No, they haven't.
Oh, I rigged the wrong way.
Oh my gosh, I hope this activity has nothing to do with driving.
Have you guys ever been to Skaland before?
Never.
We're celebrating our 65th anniversary at the end of this year.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
I've watched Mighty Ducks, though. That's close enough.
But that was ice skating, not roller skating.
My favourite scene on Mighty Ducks is when they have the little fights during the game. But you know what's really cool is my cousin, Alofa Ta'ungu. Hi, cuz. Is there a certain level of athleticism one must require to do this?
No, just basic balance. That's all you need.
Damn it.
You're doomed. You might need some pads.
I think my weaknesses will be balancing. I think my strengths will be holding the stick. Wait, do we get sticks as well?
Gaby, she's really unco, but actually, she's competitive.
And the lights come down, the disco lights go on, and then it's time to roller skate around the rink.
Oh my gosh, how cool.
I don't want to be too confident, because if I go out there and follow my mum, then it's really embarrassing.
I have no idea the difference between ice skating, rollerblading. It's all the same to me, we're all skating.
Do you have size 14? What's this thing at the front for?
So that's your stopper.
Oh.
Just to help you stop.
Oh, Lani's good at everything, and she's an athlete.
I feel like I'm naturally athletic, but it's different when you're on wheels.
Practice on the carpet, and then maybe go through into the learners and practice rink.
Honestly, seeing her unco, it just gives me the ick. The kids are laughing at you.
I'm trying to glide like on Blades of Glory.
Yeah, we should try the move. Whoa! Oh! Oh my gosh, look at these kids passing us.
I don't want to fall and hurt myself.
Whoa! Don't tell Gaby I fall over. My friend is too slow. Where's my friend? I'm gonna see if I can go get her. But... Look at us go, we're professionals.
Look, no hands, no rails.
Alright, listeners, everyone out on the rink, it is time for a game of Crazy Stay. And our final race of today, our main event, Lani and Gaby.
Yeah! Ow!
So the kids' reactions when we walked into the ring, they could not believe their eyes. Like, oh my God. No photos, no videos, please, no videos.
She's cheating.
I get a head start.
What? Why does she get a head start?
Alright, mamas.
Get a head start up here.
Oh my gosh. Yay! I'm second. I should have joined the little kids race.
I learned that if I just stick with something, I can achieve something. I didn't fall over once.
Yeah, well, it's hard to fall over when you're holding the rail the whole time. So don't be afraid to fall. I could have held on to the rail like someone the whole time.
Just give it a go. We are the world. We are the children.
I love that for you.
Thank you.